sensitivities, allergies, over-responsive allergic response. So that's what histamine intolerance is. Basically, this over-response of your immune system to something like spinach, which should be healthy and no problem, right?
Can you talk about histamine intolerance? Spinach makes my legs swell up. I'm hoping smoothies and hyper-nourishment will help. Yeah, it's it's something that I didn't see years ago, but we see it now, or maybe we've just gotten better at what we're looking at. We don't really know why some people will get things like histamine intolerance. It's basically overactivity of your immune system. So I look at anything that looks like allergy or overactivity of immune response, just like autoimmunity, right? Because both of those are your immune system doing more than they're supposed to, causing a problem rather than it doing the job of actually protecting and taking care of us. So people with autoimmune diseases or highly inflammatory illnesses that are developing autoimmune diseases often also have issues with
sensitivities, allergies, over-responsive allergic response. So that's what histamine intolerance is. Basically, this
over-response of your immune system to something like spinach, which should be healthy and no problem, right? So we don't understand the exact dynamics of it, but we can solve it in nutrition. So normally if I see somebody having a reaction like you're describing, we just take out the high histamine foods, and basically for the greens, that's spinach. And then there's some other foods. You can Google lists, although even when you Google, it's hard to find a really good list where they all agree with each other on what's low histamine, but you can definitely get a basic list where you can try and see. But whether it's a histamine issue or just a sensitivity issue, I would take out the offending food for now, because you're not trying to activate your immune system right now, right? You're trying to quiet it down. Just like with someone with lupus, I tell them, don't go in the sun for now. Get you healthy. And when you're really healthy, then go out in the sun. Let's not activate anything while we're trying to eliminate it. So just avoid the foods that tend to cause those triggers, whether it's histamine or something else.